Welcome back, everyone. Tonight I'm working on my KTM Freeride. It is winter here, and so I'm going to do some modifications to it. One of the things I wanted to do for a little bit was change the seat. This one is slightly lower. The bike isn't a real tall bike, but I wanted it a little bit lower for stability when I'm on hills and things like that. And I thought the easiest way to do that was to change the seat. Some people change the suspension, but I wanted to leave that with as much travel as possible. I picked up this low seat on eBay. It is brand new. It's from KTM. You can buy them from KTM. I just happened to find one for cheaper on eBay. All right, to replace this, all we have to do is remove these side panels and the two bolts here. If you bought this bike new, or if you have the tools that came with it, you'll have everything to do this job. You can use this T-handle, and you can use a 6mm socket, an 8mm socket, and a T45 Torx from this kit. I'm gonna use a driver and make it even faster. To remove the side panels, we have to remove these screws in here. They are 6mm. This one is an 8mm. There's one more 6 right here. I'm going to remove the tank shrouds while it's on the bike. The last bolt I have to take out is this one. It requires a T45 bit. You can pull these spacers out. They do have a little O-ring to make them fit snug. Pop that side out. You can pop this one out. You can put your new seat on and then push these O-rings back in. I'm gonna put these back in with the T-handle instead of the impact because I want to feel the snugness. Now we can put all the plastics back on. Alright, the lowered seat is installed. It seems like it's about 35.5, so it lowered it 1/2 inch to 1 inch, depending on your eye. I can visibly see the difference on it, and I am pretty excited about that. I think it'll make it just a little bit more stable. It also doesn't have the 60-pound battery in it right now, which lowers it some more. Seat still feels really good. I like it. I'm wearing Crocs right now, which I do not ride in, but I'm tippy toes in Crocs. So with riding boots, I will be a lot closer to the ground. Good. Hopefully this helped you. Please check out my other videos. And if you have more questions about this seat, let me know.